If you're a lifter, strength coach, or just someone who loves to nerd out on movement, we have a special event coming up you cannot miss. Lift-A-Palooza is our annual Lift and Learn experience, a 2-day deep dive into world-class strength and movement training. And this year, you'll get to learn from two of the most accomplished and respected names in the world of strength, Brett Jones and Jennifer Thompson. Brett Jones is the Director of Education for StrongFirst, collaborator with Functional Movement Systems, and the author of Iron Cardio. At Lift-A-Palooza, Brett is leading a hands-on workshop in kettlebell lifting technique and the Iron Cardio system, a smart and efficient way to improve your strength and conditioning with kettlebells. This is the same method Brett used to regain his strength and rebuild his body after cancer treatment in 2020, and he's still using it today. Now, the perfect complement to hard strength training is effective movement prep and active recovery. That's why Brett is also teaching the high-impact mobility and stability strategies from his acclaimed Mind the Gap video course. Here you'll learn ways to find and fill your movement gaps so you can turn weaknesses into strengths and train harder with fewer aches and pains. Jen Thompson is one of the most accomplished powerlifters in history, with 11 world championship titles and over 100 world records to her name. And at Lift-A-Palooza, Jen is leading a deep dive powerlifting seminar. You'll get hands-on coaching on the squat, bench press, and deadlift, as well as Jen's favorite variations. This seminar is open and appropriate for all skill and strength levels, whether you're brand new to the barbell or you're a seasoned powerlifting competitor. And when it comes to long-term success in the gym, on the platform, and in your daily life, the most important muscle is the one between your ears. And that's why Jen is also sharing a presentation on her approach to mindset and mental training. Jen's been performing at the highest levels for decades, but now without setbacks and challenges. And it's her rock-solid championship mindset that keeps her in the game and still setting PRs. Brett and Jen are featured presenters at Lift-A-Palooza, happening the weekend of January 31st, right here in Nashville. This event was designed to rival other training seminars that cost well over $1,000 for a fraction of the price to attend. Spaces are limited, so if you want to make 2026 your strongest year ever, sign up today and we cannot wait to see you in January.